Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to link your Twitter account to your PS5. Now this is a fairly quick and easy process. And first what you want to do is head up to the top here and come across to the main settings. And now from the main settings page you want to come down to users and accounts. And now from users and accounts you want to come down to link with other services. And then from here you want to come down to Twitter and click the Twitter. And this page will tell you everything you can share and everything what will happen when you link your Twitter account to your PS5. Once you're happy with that, you simply click Link Account. And as you can see, you'll be greeted with this website. And you want to log in with your Twitter username or email and then enter your password. I'll skip this moment for privacy. And once you've entered your Twitter username and password, you'll be greeted with this page, letting you know your Twitter account is linked to your PS5 and also how to unlink it. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, hit the subscribe, and thanks for watching.